Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I'm doing the Scrappy 8 Journal Challenge, and it's hosted by the ladies of the Scrappy 8 Facebook page, and I'll have a link in the description where you can access that or them. And this month's, for the month of May, is hosted by, or the challenge was created by Michelle, and it's Don't Label Me. So what I did was there are so many definitions of the word or label, anywhere from the general definition, which is like a piece of paper, plastic, or other material attached to an object to identify or provide information about it. So I'm definitely going to do that. And I'm also going to use the definition of retail and packaging, which relates to a piece of material such as paper, clothing, that's attached to products that provides information such as product brand, manufacturing, ingredients, price, blah, blah, blah. And in sociology, I definitely wanted to use this one because that one is a term or category used to classify or stereotype individuals or groups in a social context, often leading to applications of certain expectations or assumptions about them. And then the pharmaceutical and medicines is the one, information included on a medical container that tells you details such as usage instructions, dosage, side effects, and all that good stuff. So as I make it, I'll tell you which definition of a label that I'm using. So what I did was, I think I'm just going to I might make like a layout, like a journal layout. And I just have like a piece of cardstock. It's double-sided cardstock that I had in my stash. And then I also I went on Canva and I just printed out some labels like shabby chic, grungy, aesthetic, vintage, steampunk. And then I've also got things, I guess kind of like a sociology term, things that are associated with it, the way it looks, or characteristics of it, such as like steampunk. Typically people who are steampunk, or the labeling of steampunk, you have like these vintage style glasses, shoes, clock, or watch, things like that. So yeah, I'm just going to create a layout with all of these labels, and I might even add some extra things. And like I said, as I go along, or better yet, when I'm finished, I'll just point out everything and how the definition of that label that I used. So I'm just going to put on some music and put this in fast forward speed motion. I'm going to cut out these images, and then I'm going to assemble them. Okay, so this is pretty much it. And so I wrote, when you are feeling judged, break out your craft supplies and start creating. Do this as often as necessary. Side effects, it can become addictive. So those are the pharmaceutical and medicine like labels. And then I just added some of the cutout labels that I'd gotten from different packaging. This one was from the Ranger Emboss It. It's great for hand lettering, personalized doodling, and some other stuff like that. And those are just like another type of label, which is like your retail and packaging, as well as we design, we measure, we install, you relax. Those are your brand. And then our sociological types of labeling, and we have fashion tidbits. And so yeah, we have a combination of the different varieties of labeling. So this is our little layout, and it's the woman has like a mirror image of herself, and it's like she's in some way she's being labeled a certain kind of way. I guess, well, I'm not gonna say old, but vintage. And then her style, her sociological style, grungy, steampunk, shabby chic, aesthetic, you know. So, and then we just included some different ephemera that fits the scenery. And yeah. So, and then I did some embossing, heat embossing with some of these, just to kind of make them a little bit more pronounced, because they were kind of dull. I have an inkjet printer, and I wanted some of these to pop a little bit. So this is pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And make sure you check out the Scrappy 8 Facebook page, and all the creators who have collaborated and did something with that project too. Lots of talent, lots of fun. So thank you guys so much for watching.